Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everybody and welcome back to our tutorial. We're still in caster wheel and from hero to zero mastering Autodesk Inventor. In this video we'll discuss how to create a project file, the importance of project file. So keep it in mind, when you start working with any project you have to create a folder for this project. Then here I create a folder. Okay, I prefer to create it on any other drive than C, because C you can format it, it can be have some viruses, something, any issue. Okay, so you'll format it and then all your work will be gone. So I prefer you to create a folder, working folders on other drive than C or desktop. I create a folder here and I name it after the project caster wheel. How to create a folder? You have to click the new and folder and give it a name. Okay. Now what we'll do, if we open this folder, it's empty. We go to our Inventor and we can see here, if you are first installing your Inventor, you have no project, you have only the default project. It comes with a default project, okay, and it comes with check. So this is the active project that you are working with. Other projects, when you are adding a new project, you'll find them here. So you have only two default projects. Okay, then before start working with any project, you have to create a project file. Keep it in mind. Why? I'll tell you later. How to create a project file, then go to Get Started tab. Here we will click on the projects. And here the list of projects that we have. Of course, I told you that you don't have, or you have only one, that it comes with the software that's called default. To create a new project, just click new. And here there is a wizard. We'll follow it and how to create this project. Okay, new single user project or new vault project. Single user if you are working alone. Okay, new vault project if there is a group of people that are working on a network on a huge project. So we can switch to vault project. We are working alone, so we'll stuck with the single user project and hit next. Here ask us for a name of the project, so we'll name it as the name of the project, caster wheel. And the important thing here is the project folder or workspace, as we call it. Then we have to direct this to our folder that we created before. How to do this? Then click the dots, 3 dots here, go to your computer. Okay, we put it on the E here, and this is my caster wheel folder. Click OK. Now you can see it here, be sure. And the project file to be created, it will be created inside this folder. We'll hit finish. And as we can see, okay, he created a project for us that's called caster wheel. Okay, and this is the workspace, and he checked it, which means it's active. And to activate any projects, just double click on the project. To delete any project that you don't want, okay, just to click on the project. Be sure that nothing open here, okay, and right click and delete. You can delete the project. If you mistaken or something, you can delete it and redo it again. Okay, then double click. This is our active project. Click done. Now, if we are going here, we can see as caster wheel. I have another caster wheel. Don't worry. Okay, caster wheel as an active project. This way we create a project. For what? Let's go back to our folder. This is our folder, and as we can see, it was empty, and now we have folder called old version. When you open it, we have, okay, at 11:02 p.m., we created a project file, the date and the time. Then any save that you did it in Inventor, you'll have it in old version. You can come to it and back your design, as we can call it. Okay, we'll go back here. This is our file. This is our project file, IPG file, Inventor project, of this Inventor project, as we can see. Okay, what's the use of this? Keep in mind, when you wanna work with existing project, and we work with caster wheel, we stop, go anywhere, we'll come back to caster wheel, and we want to work with caster wheel. What we'll do, then you will not start Inventor from here. Don't start Inventor when you want to work with any project. Don't start Inventor. I'll close it. Okay, I come back to my folder. I want to work with caster wheel, then double click the project file. It will launch the software and it will activate this project. So anything you will do, you will come here. Again, when you want to work with any existing file, don't start Inventor from desktop or from taskbar from its icon. Just go to the working folder of the project and double click the project file. Thank you for watching, and see you next video. Keep tuned.